Okay, so I'm getting ready to install the new belt from the garage door opener. This is the Chamberlain Whisper Drive Plus, and the model number is HD900D. I'm just going to be cleaning out the stop of this motor and the gear mechanism with a brush. There's a lot of pieces of broken belt lying on top, and I also have my smart garage door controller opener by this company uh, called Reforce, which is connected by Wi-Fi. I think the green light still shows that it's connected by Wi-Fi. So anyway, just gonna be cleaning out this. I have a really tall ladder that I'm standing on, and first just get this controller out of the way. It's actually really got pieces of the old worn out belt. Just gonna use this brush to clean it. Just use my hands actually to drop all the pieces of belt down, which I'll clean later. So the pieces of broken belt. It's all really sticky and gooey. I think I'll probably come back with a paper towel and just clean it out a little more. Okay, I think that's good for now.